It's nice because Gabe too is playing with slime and helping me out at the same time. So he's having fun. But now I need him to hold the phone so we can. Hey.
Gooey.
Yeah, that's.
Gooey.
What is that? I told you already.
I forget it.
What starts with a P? PP. Plumber's putty. Can you say it?
Putty.
Okay. All right, hold this. Here.
Okay.
Hurry, hurry. People are watching, maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I'll share this. I might be too embarrassed to share this.
Why?
I don't know. I'm not very good. Okay, I'm going to do this. All right.
You should show it to everyone so you can be on the... And then they can watch you and then they can do whatever you're doing.
Or the opposite of what I'm doing. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? That might be. You showing this up here?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just tightening this, or not even tightening it, trying to get it started, and then I'll tighten it. Okay. All right. All right. Get a close up of that. Does that look right? I really don't even know. No clue. But let's turn the water on and see what happens. Okay. Do we have any leaks? You can see there's water flowing through there. No leaks yet. I'm not feeling leaks up here. I'm not going to get too proud of myself because who knows. But all right, let me see this. All right, I guess that's it. It looks like it's not leaking. I'll keep you up to date and let you know if it does leak. Thanks for watching.